Hi, my name's James Woolley. I did the MA Practising Performance. I'm from Harrogate in North Yorkshire originally. It's really great because it's a combination of both theory and practice. There's equal weighting placed on both and there's kind of like a reciprocal relationship there. I think the most rewarding aspect of the course was really the expertise that we have from the staff and the dialogue, the closer dialogue that you form with the staff. I developed so much more on my Masters than I have done on my BA in that 1 year, and I think that's a real signifier of kind of like how interesting but also rigorous the MA scheme is and how committed you have to be to it. We've got 3 or 4 purpose-built studios in this department that were really useful for developing work, and I had one big theatre to myself while I was doing my dissertation project down in town, so that was great to just have that as my space for a 3-month process. The research aspects, I used the Hugh Owen a lot, but I also live in Llanbadarn, which is a little village outside of Aberystwyth, and we've got the Thomas Parry Library there, and so that was really useful as well. But we've also got the National Library of Wales, which has unique archives and collections and manuscripts. We were really fortunate to work with artists from outside the university, so building links. I did some work with Karen Christopher, and that was really useful. We had a trip away to the National Review of Live Art in Glasgow, which was really interesting and really allowed us to put some of the theoretical, abstract thinking into practice through seeing this work live. We are in a really lucky position where we've got a really thriving arts centre that's set up numerous groups. Once a month they've got the open platform, so if you want to present work there, you can. I think one of the greatest things about this MA is that it's recruited really well internationally, definitely in my year. And the experience and the knowledge that you draw from your peers is really, really important, and that really works. Also the exciting work that the department's doing and the various approaches. We've got fantastic members of staff with real expertise in subject matter and research, and I think that really feeds into making the MA scheme really fulfilling, really rigorous, and really rewarding as well. I think that's the thing. I think the proudest work that I've done has been on my MA scheme.